Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about crypto.com, Crowcoin. I want to give an update on Tectonic, as well as where I think the overall market is going. Guys, we are at 6,960 subscribers. We are almost at 7,000 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. And at 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away this loaded lion NFT, which is about 2,500 bucks. All you gotta do is be subscribed to the channel and follow our Twitter and retweet this tweet, and you can get a chance to win this. And also, if you're a YouTube member, you can get plus 10 additional entries to winning this loaded lion NFT. Super excited to give this away, and many more giveaways to come. So let's hop into this video, guys. So, guys, right now we are pumping. We're pumping. We're consolidating to the upside. Like I said, as long as we're consolidating between the 21,000, well, ideally the 19,500 and the $23,000 range, I'm bullish. But as long as we are getting daily and weekly candle closes above the $21,600 mark, then we're really in bullish continuation right now, which is awesome. Guys, look at this. Solana pumping hard. Ethereum up over 1,600. Bitcoin playing with maybe the $24,000 range. Smash up the like button if you want to see Bitcoin at 24K before tomorrow. I mean, I think there's a good chance. There's a lot of money flowing out of the stablecoins into the market right now, which is awesome to see. Very, very awesome to see. And, guys, Crowcoin's doing well too. Look at this, up 2.26%. I'm so happy that we're over the 8-cent mark, guys. That's huge news. Huge news that we're over the 8-cent mark. And I do want to talk about this. Over on Twitter, there is 1,200, excuse me, there's 1,251,273 Crow wallet addresses right now. That's huge, guys. That's really huge. But you know what's also huge about that is that's not a massive amount. There's so much more room to grow, guys. And it's increasing at about what this person said, spot on, almost 1,000 new Crow wallets a day. It's really good news, guys. We're growing, and we're growing in the bear market. I love to see that. Let's look over at Crowcoin right now. So, yeah, we are consolidating to the upside right now, but we are still consolidating, I will say. We do have the weekly candle close in about 6 hours and 35 minutes. So very, very exciting. Very curious to see what Monday holds for us. Maybe something like that. I would like to see some volatile moves. February 1st, guys. Federal Chair Jerome Powell coming out. FOMC meeting. Very curious to see what's said and where we go. Will we get a wick down? A quick little scam wick? Maybe. That definitely happens when Jerome starts talking. If he's not dovish, if he says 0.5 basis rate point hike or even a 0.75, I think we're going to be kind of coming down maybe to retest this channel. But the channel at about 0.0682 cents on Crowcoin, that is. But if he comes out with 0.5 or 0.25, 0.5 is kind of like the area of where I think there's a good chance we just trade sideways, but it is a little bit bearish. Crypto Kip and I have been talking about that, and I do tend to agree that with him that it is a little bearish, but I think that it could be a nothing burger kind of where we just trade to the side if we get a zero point 0.5 basis rate point hike. But also, it could be bullish. If there's anything below a zero point 0.5 basis rate point hike, I think it's time to head to the upside. I think that's kind of what's going to be happening here. We're going to retest this 10-cent range, hopefully make our way to fair value town of about the 12 cents to 16-cent mark, and honestly work our way to the 18 cents and back up here to the 38 cents. As long as we get these Bitcoin continuations, well, first off, I'll say if we get a 0.25 basis rate point hike, fair value, 15 cents to 18 cents is my price target. But we need to keep seeing these daily and weekly candle closes on Bitcoin moving to the upside above 21,600 and seeing some bullish continuation. That's what we need to keep seeing. And I'm leaning into it, guys. I think there's a very good possibility that we are. This is the beginning. This is the beginning of the relief. And we bottomed out at 15,500 on Bitcoin, and I think that we're getting closer and closer to the halvening. I think that it's about that time. We've been trading down to the side for over a year, guys. I think it's about that time we get a little bit of moves to the upside. But let's talk about Tonic a little bit, guys, because one more thing about Crowcoin actually is to get us to this 50-cent range, we need Bitcoin around the $30,000 to $40,000 mark, in my opinion. And we're getting closer and closer to that. And I think that ideally, if we are getting these candle closes on Bitcoin above 21,600 and we start to get fair value, and then our next target will probably be about the levels of about 25,000 to 28,000. If we break in the $30,000 mark for Bitcoin, I think that we're going to be headed towards the 50 cents in no time, guys. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Keep your eyes peeled for that. I think it might happen sooner than you would expect. So let's talk about Tonic. So Tonic, we are holding up relatively well. I love to see this, guys. We are at 6 zeros and 2389. You know, guys, that is pretty awesome. Are we at 7 zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we're at 6 zeros. All right, yeah, 6 zeros, 2389. You know, guys, we're doing pretty well here. We're doing pretty well. I thought that for sure we were going to come back down and retest this again, but we didn't. We're doing good. We're doing good. You know, as long as Bitcoin's holding up, there's no reason that we should be tanking. It really is. But I will say, with caution on smaller cap altcoins, it's important to be prepared for volatile moves when Bitcoin comes down a little bit after an extended rally like this. Be prepared for a big move to the downside. You know, that tends to what happens. The smaller the market cap of a coin, the more volatile it is. It's as simple as that. But just keep your close eyes on this, guys. Keep a close eye on this because I think that there's definitely a chance that we can run here and have a huge move to the upside, especially if Bitcoin starts heading towards the 30K range. There's no reason why we don't get back up to these levels. Maybe even let me zoom out a little bit here. Honestly, we could definitely move to the price targets of about, yeah, what is this? 5 zeros, 1887, 5 zeros, 18878. We could definitely be moving back towards that price target if we get a 40K Bitcoin, 30K Bitcoin. It could happen very, very fast. So keep your eyes open. I have a very, very tiny percent of my portfolio in Tonic because it is such a small market cap coin. And you know, when it comes to these smaller market cap coins, you don't really need to lay into them super, super heavy because they have lots of room to the upside. And yes, you may say, well, Blacksea, but if I put more money in, then I'll make more money. Sure, but it's all about risk management, guys. You know, the smaller the market cap for a coin, the less likely I want to layer into it very, very heavily because you could lose a substantial amount of your capital, and it's dangerous. You need to be careful, guys. DCA into the projects you believe in, and diversify in an appropriate way that's to your strategy. I mean, everyone's got different strategies, but I like to lean into. I have a big bag of Ethereum and Bitcoin. I have a big bag of CRO, and CRO is kind of like you're pseudo investing in Tonic with CRO. I mean, because if you're investing in Tonic, like if you're investing in Tonic, you're like pseudo investing into CRO because you're betting that CRO coin is going to increase in price because if CRO coin does well, then Tonic should do well hypothetically. But it's just everyone's strategy is different, but I would say be careful with coins that have a smaller market cap. I have a small percentage of my portfolio in Tonic, but I'm not going to have 50%, 20%. I think I have about probably 1% of my portfolio in Tonic, maybe 0.5%, something like that. But just keep your close eyes on coins that have small market caps because, sure, they can make you a lot of money, but also they can make you lose a lot of money. They're very, very volatile, especially when Bitcoin starts coming down if we get a little retracement. But all right, guys, so let's look over at Bitcoin right now because Bitcoin is doing great things. It's doing really great things, guys. We have 6 hours and 29 minutes until we have this weekly candle close. Very excited to see what happens there. But we are getting these bullish candle closes above the $19,500 mark, guys. I love to see that. If we get this weekly candle close above 21,600, oh man, we're going to be looking good. And it's looking pretty good right now. That's pure bullish continuation right there, guys. You know, my next target would be a weekly candle close somewhere near the $24,800 mark, and I think that we're very, very close to making our way there relatively soon. Let's look over the S&P 500 because we are toying with this resistance level, guys. And I've been saying, you know, we break through this. If we don't get a fake out like something like this, then guys, this is game on for risk-on assets. We're going to have a rally for risk-on assets for sure. It's very, very prime if we break above this that we could see a bigger move in the cryptocurrency market, big tech, and just risk-on asset plays. I mean, because this is Because we've been trading down and stuff for over a year. We're ready to get some bullish continuation here off of this. We need some bullish divergence on the S&P 500, and we're looking pretty good. We're retesting this. We've tested this multiple times, but now we're finally toying with the outside of it. Next week, I'm very, very curious if we can get a weekly candle close above this level on the S&P 500, above about the $4,000 mark. I think it's game on. I think we're going to have a lot of upside. But guys, yeah, Bitcoin's doing bullish things. I think this is the start of some bullish continuation. We have had some big bullish divergence off of the lows of 15,500. As we're looking good. Here's the monthly candle close. We got 2 days and 7 hours until the monthly candle closes. That's going to be another one to look at. Because if we get a green candle off the monthly candle close, it's looking pretty good, guys. It's looking pretty good. I mean, if you look at the previous times, we went from super, super red, 14 red candles in a row, 13 red candles in a row. How many green months do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green months. I mean, smash up the like button and subscribe if you want to see 5 more green candle months for Bitcoin. I mean, oh man, think of the things that it will do for the Cronos space and the altcoin ecosystem. Very, very interesting to think about what that could do. Maybe it'd be a good time to start really accumulating other altcoins if we start seeing another monthly candle close to the green side. But I'm very bullish right now, guys. I'm cautiously bullish. I think that we could come back down, but I'm leaning towards that it's going to be a little while before we come back down. Lots and lots of sentiment in the market saying, "Oh, we're getting close, guys. We're going to come back down." A lot of people in disbelief. Saying that they think that we're going to start coming back down. And this is like a suckers rally, you know. When everyone starts saying that, you got to keep a close eye on it. I've been saying that a lot, but right now is the time for keeping a close eye on a lot of different things because lots of pivoting points. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And please consider becoming a member. We have really cool member perks. Every Tuesday and Thursday, 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, we do a live stream, and you get these cool loyalty badges as well as these custom emojis. And on top of that, you get access to our private Discord, where we give away NFT alpha, NFT whitelist spots, as well as just trade signals and more one-on-one talk with Crypto Kip and I, and it's a lot more of a tight-knit community. It's a lot of fun. But guys, would really appreciate that. And on top of that, each month you are a member, you get 10 additional entries to winning this Loaded Lion NFT, guys, which we really want to give away. And there's going to be more giveaways to come. That's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.